Challenge 2. Write a program to move the first and last character of a string. So we have a text method developer and let's write the code. So we have a variable a is text dot substring and text dot length -1. This is our last character r. And so var b is text dot substring from e to the end, text dot length -2, and we have this value where c is text dot substring 0, and this is our first character m. And console dot write line. So if text dot length greater than 1, so print a plus b plus c, and else print text. Save and run, and we have run again. So we have an error. What's wrong? Text substring text dot length. So in here 0 and 1, our first character. Run again, and we have method developer, and in here we have r, and in here we have m.